Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your phone supports Esim and is unlocked. That saves time. Once done, open Settings and go to Network or Connections. Tap Mobile Network, then add Mobile Plan. This starts scanning. If you have a carrier QR code, choose Scan QR Code. If you have an activation code or carrier app, select the matching option and enter details. Make sure to stay on Wi-Fi so the plan downloads cleanly and avoid interruptions, while the phone provisions the profile. Once the Esim profile appears, you'll name it so you can tell plans apart, for example, work or travel. This prevents confusion later. Next, assign data and voice roles. Choose which SIM handles mobile data, calls, and texts, then set your default for outgoing calls. Make sure the carrier profile has finished downloading and that you see signal bars. If activation takes time, restart the phone after the profile installs. This often forces the network to register the Esim properly. To finish, restart the phone and verify the Esim shows as active and connected. Make a test call or use mobile data. If the plan isn't registered, rescan the QR code or re-enter the activation code, because a small typo can block activation. If that fails, toggle airplane mode on and off to force a network reattach, and then contact the carrier. They can refresh provisioning. One key tip: keep the old SIM until the Esim is fully confirmed, so you never lose service.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.